So today we have to draw this knuckle joint. It contains uh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 parts. Okay, that means this is called eye end. And here front view is shown and top view at the bottom. And this is called fork end. This this will go into this eye end into the fork end, and this called pin. Uh, this will be inserted into this so that it will not come out, and it's locked with this collar and this pin. Okay. Or for better understanding, I will show. You can see here one is eye end, and there is this is red one is called the fork end, and both will come together and align the center, and this pin is put in through these holes and collar, and another small tapered pin is there to lock this yellow pin so that should not come out. So it's a kind of joint, or you can see here the assembled view of knuckle joint. Okay, so you have to draw the section view, being somewhat like this. Yes. Okay. So both the front view and top view need to be drawn. And then question, it was given draw the draw full front view full in section, left side view and top view of knuckle joint. So first you have to assemble it and then show the section. So remember, suppose you have drawn knuckle joint, I will draw in freehand quickly. So front view means you have to copy this one exactly, but you have to draw in section. The radius of this curve is also given. After that, put this I end into this. So you have to take proper dimension. Don't draw without. Now we have to put this water. Sorry, pin. Then afterwards, put this collar and pen a pin through that. So here you can draw collar. Now, was asked in the question to show a sectional view. Okay, so you have to cut, that is in front full length section, front view full length section, this portion. So now this is not visible. Now you can hatch. If you want to take the section of collar or pin also, that also. Normally pin is not taken, but we will take now. So this is one object, and the other part is fork and looks like a fork. Or if you want to show this hexagonal part, that also you can show. And can give a different hatching for pin. But normally some people in some textbook you will find in this fashion. Here they have not taken section for these things, but it's good for me to take. You can show it in another component. The hatching spacing can be made different so that it appears like a different object. I think it should be a little bigger to okay. Then you can draw top view. Top view should be proper. There you should not show any section. It should be complete. So you can basically join these two components from this view. So it appears like two circles, and here another circle will come for this pin that is a 40 diameter. So you can either project it or you can draw yourself. So this is 40 After that, you can draw this of your forkant. Can show the pin. to show the center line or section plane. You can either use phantom line or center. Both are fine. Okay. Here you can show that grip for holding the oh, so I guess you can submit it by tonight. Hmm. It's easier, right? Because I have assigned for tonight. So you can start drawing and submit. If you have any doubt, means you can ask. Else we will close. It fine for everyone? Yes or no?
So can you increase the date till tomorrow?
See, if I give more time, you people will become lazy and you will be wasting your time in examination. Okay, because in exam you will get only 3 hours. Hmm. So this time I will not extend. Previous days you have said exam, assignment, all those things you have said. Okay, to try to draw it faster because otherwise you will not get time in the exam. There may be more questions. Okay, so try this time to do it faster.
Sir,
Yes. Hello, you are muted now.
excuse me, sir.
Huh.
Excuse me, sir.
Tell me, I am listening.
Sir, how will our lab will be conducted? Lab
Lab means
examination, sir. How will it be conducted?
last time it was question paper was uploaded in the same MS Team and around 3 hours. No, not 3 hours. 2 hours were given. 2 hours and 20 minutes, I guess. 20 minutes for uploading and making PDF. And whoever taken more than that, depending upon their time, marks were deducted. That's why I'm telling you, practice to do fast.
And
So I
sir,
don't know
Viva,
whether
how will it be conducted?
Viva means based on your answer sheets, we may ask, or from general question also we can ask, like how you will represent hidden part. This kind of questions you can expect. Viva means may take around 5 minutes per head.
Sir, when will be this Viva conducted? I mean, is it next Wednesday?
No, you will get a notice before that.
Okay, sir.
So I guess before that, CAD also will be taught to you because it was earlier. lab means we have a lab here for CAD, and students were allowed to do in the lab. I don't know whether this is possible this year. So, but at least you have to study those commands. Means if you are drawing this in a computer, there are certain softwares like CAD, SolidWorks, so many more are there. But in our institute, we use CAD. Okay, so I think you have to study the commands how we can draw in CAD. So that also will be there, and we can ask in Viva what type of commands you will use for drawing particular thing. Okay. I don't think it is possible to do that in your home because installation is required. However, this is software is free for 3 years for students if you register by mail, your college mail ID or any other mail ID. For students, it is free for 3 years. So once it starts, we will discuss more on CAD. Till then, you complete this drawing. I think we have one more sheet to complete.
So this is our last practical class, right?
Okay. Let me see whether any more sheets are left or not. Oh, projected type flange. Okay, this is also you can work it yourself. I think. Okay. Or I will explain how this looks like. So this kind of coupling it is. If this is the last class, I don't know whether we can do it or not because I did not receive any notice regarding your end of class or semester. If if there is no more class, you have to practice this one yourself. Okay? I think some class theory classes will be there based on CAD because it was there previously. So what did sir said? Will there be any more class or this is the last class? No idea. Okay, you can submit this one. If any news regarding examination means I will post it in this team, and you will also get a notice from department side. Okay. It will not be a quick notice. It will take means At least 1 week before you will be informed about the exam. Don't worry. Okay, any other doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, then we will stop here.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.